Welcome to RMA Baba Yoruba. Still on another edition of our tone practice. Today we are going to proceed with the next consonant sound and other vowel sound. The next consonant sound after B is D, as we know. So let's firstly take it with the low tone. D and A in the low form. Da, di, de, di, do, do. Now let's go on with re. Da, de, di, do, do. Now let's go on with me. Da, de, di, do, do. For example, when we have D and A with a low tone, as well as another D and A with a middle tone, it gives us da. That is a Yoruba name.
RMA Baba Yoruba TV.